If you're seeking a visa to the United States, you might be worried about something called administrative processing. Administrative processing is what happens when you go to the consulate, you go to the embassy, and instead of getting approved, they put your case on hold. It's a source of a lot of confusions and frustration and pain and misery. My goal today is to answer a very, very important question. How long does administrative processing take? What's up, everybody? If you don't know me, my name is Josh Goldstein and I'm an immigration lawyer, and I help people in all 50 states and around the world reach their immigration goals. We are dedicated to helping people just like you, and I created this channel, Immigration Station, to inspire you to reach out and achieve your immigration goals. I share here with you all of the tools and insights that I have from more than 20 years of experience practicing immigration law. And today, we're going to get into a very important topic of administrative processing. This is a delay that happens after interviews. And the question on people's minds is, how long does administrative processing take? And I've gotten two versions of this question recently. One of them was, what is the duration of administrative processing at the U.S. consulate in Ankara? And the other one is, how long does a father's administrative processing take? He was exempt from military service. Both of these questions are essentially the same, which is, how long does administrative processing take? The answer to these questions requires a little bit of background, so bear with me. If your visa gets stuck in administrative processing, there are two things we know about this, and only these two things. The first is that you completed your visa interview. The second is that no final decision has been made on your visa. Your case is not approved, but it's also not denied. It is pending. And there are some other words that they use for administrative processing. One of them is 221G, the other is refused, and the other is administrative processing. So if you're told your visa is refused, it's pending. If you're told your visa is in 221G, it's also pending. You're told your case in administrative processing, it's not denied and it's pending. Those are the two things we know. You had the interview, no decision has been made. And that's it. Nothing else is known. We don't know whether your case is going to be approved or denied. We don't know why your case is in administrative processing. We don't know what they're checking. We don't even know if they're checking anything. Maybe your case is not being reviewed at all. We've had plenty of cases in federal court where we sue the government to get people's cases approved. We've had cases where we've found out that the government has actually lost people's files, and that's why the case was delayed. So they told the applicant their case was in administrative processing and they lost the file. How do we know this? Because the government's attorney came back to me and said, can you please submit a new application because we can't locate the file. So when I found that out, I thought to myself, maybe they're not really checking a damn thing. So let's go back to the question at hand. How long does administrative processing take? The answer is that no one knows. No one knows. It might be a week, it might be a month, it might be 6 months, it might be a year, it might be 2 years. We've had people waiting in administrative processing for more than 5 years. The visa interview happened and it was stuck in administrative processing for more than 5 years. The most important question that isn't asked in this set of questions is, what should you do about it? There are two possibilities, really. One is that you can try to wait it out. You can sit and wait and hopefully they'll issue the visa, and that happens often. The problem with waiting is that it sometimes doesn't work. And what happens is days go by, weeks go by, months go by, even years go by, and the visa is still stuck in administrative processing. And when you're frustrated and you need a decision on your visa quickly, the solution is to file a lawsuit in federal court and sue the agency, sue them, and demand a decision, and force them to do their job, and put an end to the waiting. And if you're ready to take action and you're ready to put an end to the waiting and you can't take the waiting anymore, that's where we come in. And you can reach out to us and we can help you out with that. If you have more questions about administrative processing and other aspects of your immigration case, stick around for more videos and we'll have more answers for you coming soon. Thank you.